It's pink and purple?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some?
Mm-mm. You should just record the whole thing.
Scott?
That's what?
Don't turn the TV off.
I'm not going to turn the TV off.
Are you gonna have more cartoons?
Now I'm going to watch sports. What do you want me to watch?
Noah.
You want me to watch
I'm
sports?
so red.
I'll watch sports.
You got way more orange.
Mm-hmm. Is that good? Zachary, is your
I
cupcake
don't
good?
want red back because I don't have it there. Oh, money. Auntie stickers. Auntie stickers.
Come on, stick it in your face.
All the people. Benny, I have red hands. And I have a little bit of pink hands.
Mm-hmm.
Sammy, look at my tongue. Mom, take a picture of my tongue.
You can have red dye.
Hey, do I have a red tongue too?
Mm-hmm. You're gonna get sick now. You had red dye.
What?
Don't touch.
I want to do it.
Just send that to his father later.
I'm done.
Can I see it? Nope, sorry. How's that cupcake?
It's really good.
Is it good? It's everywhere. Look at those hands. Can you show me your hands? See your hands? Look like you just...
Look at me.
Can you show me your hands? Can I see? Can I see? Oh, look at those hands. Ooh. Oh, you're squishing it between your fingers. Have fun trying to get that out of your hands. Oh my god. Now touch your head. Look, Zachary, you scratch your head? No, don't get down. No.